Hello, this is Enjoy Synths, and thank you so much to Mike over at Russo Music. This is not sponsored, but he is awesome, and you should actually check his music out if you're watching this. I'll put a link in the notes to this video. But anyway, got a cool bag. All right, this out of here. How weird is this? Interesting EP splash protection. The EP-133. So cool. K.O. You're the one for me. Get Up Kids? Any Get Up Kids fans out there? Alright. Oh, whoops. What were those? Excuse me while I'm on the floor picking up these little pieces. Nobody told me about this. It should have a warning on the box. Alright, where is that? It is what it is. We'll find it. We shall find it. No batteries. Alright, there we go. Cool. Where's that other piece? Shoot, dang. White, red, or orange, I don't know, colorblind, and gray. What in the world? Are these supposed to be tilted like this? You see that? You see that? We fixed the keys and the fader buttons. That bothered the heck out of me when I saw that, but easy fix. I had to manipulate it a little harder than I wanted. Putting these caps on, it doesn't feel flimsy. I won't say that, but when I was pressing this, I was just like mindful of fader issues. So I was just super careful putting this cap on. And as you can see from this level right here, I think that it's working just fine after as long as I've been using it. But oh, I got some cool notes in here. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths.
Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. Hey, this is Adam, and this is Enjoy Synths. This might look like a lot, but it also looks strangely approachable. But then you look at this, and you're like, oh, geez, is this like the manual to defuse a bomb or to create one? No, it's a quick start guide. This is the easy part right here. People with attention span issues, just sit down with this and follow this. You will figure it out. Some things are not intuitive. It took me a while to realize, okay, I'm in sample mode now. I don't need to press record. You just, hello, hello. So then you can... Hello, hello.
I've just been kind of learning it and fixing the keys and figuring out how to pop this thing off and add batteries. I'm very happy with it. Build quality is fine. You know, if it was... I almost feel like if you look at this and you're like, couldn't it be smaller? And then you look at this and be like, couldn't it be a little bigger? I love it. Teenage Engineering, awesome. And Mike from Russo. Again, check his music out in the notes to this episode of Enjoy Synths. Thanks for joining me. See ya.